Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to find Shopify Product ID, handle, SKU, and variant ID number. So first, go ahead and log in to your Shopify account. Now, we will first find the product ID on the left panel and go to product section. After that, select the product. Now, on your URL, you will see a number at the end, and that is your product ID. If you have other products, you will see that this number is unique to each one. Now it's time to find the handle. So what you need to do is to scroll down at the bottom, then on the search engine listing, click on the edit button, and in here you will see your URL handle, and this one is your product handle. Now it's time to find the SKU or the stock keeping unit. To access it, on the left panel, go to Inventory. And in here, you will see the list of your products and their variants. Then, you will be able to see your SKU on each variant. Now it's time to find your variant ID number. So go ahead and select on one variant of your product. Then on the top, you will see a number after the word variants, and that number is your variant ID. Now if you click on another variant, you can see that those number changes. Each of those are different for each variant. Now if you go and scroll down, you can also access here the stock keeping unit. You can also find it to the other variants. And there you have it. You can now find your Shopify product ID, handle, SKU, and variant ID number. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.